Here I am at Gila National Forest, about a quarter mile away from Gila Cliff Dwellings National Monument. I'm camping here for the night, then I'll go in the morning when there's a lot less people. So, funny story, I'm hiking up just up that way, about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, trying to get a vantage spot so I can do some nightscapes. And when I'm going back down the hill, looking out towards the river, which is over that way, and I see a gigantic crow carrying off my entire loaf of French bread. So I hustle back down the mountain, and they got my French bread for my PB&Js in the morning for breakfast. They got my ramen tonight. I was gonna make ramen, some nice Korean ramen, delicious stuff. And they also got my M&Ms, so guess I don't have anything sweet to eat. Well, never mind, I guess I have jelly, peanut butter, and the one thing the little guys couldn't get into, the ubiquitous Spam. So, up there's a Muggione cliff dwelling. It's a really small one, not in the actual designated monument area. So I'm going to go over there tonight and try to get some cool night shots. Put a lamp, or put a lantern or a flashlight just in there to kind of light out the interior, and so we can hopefully see some cool stuff. Going to get some nightscapes tonight. I will let me turn this guy around, and we can show you what we're dealing with. So this is the valley I'm going to try and shoot at night. There's a nice pretty cliff face right there, so hopefully with long enough exposures I'll be getting that. That's Penelope, my car right there. So for some perspective, yeah, it's going to be hopefully work out good. So here is that one of the smaller cliff dwellings. It's about a quarter mile from my campsite that way. Pretty cool. Dated again 700 years, so pretty much in the times of 700 years ago, Europe. Not too much fun. Black Death, I believe Edward III killed then. Not too fun times, but there was a pretty thriving culture around here that we still don't know a lot of. Pretty cool stuff. This is a 2-room dwelling. A larger one to your right, that must be the door, and then to your left looks like it was a storage area, a bit small. Obviously humans were a little smaller back then, so maybe somebody could have fit, but I don't think so. Probably just a storage area. Definitely cool. These are Muggione pictographs, dated around 700 years ago. They are about a quarter mile from the actual little house that was built into the wall right near here. Some more of those the drawings use a mineral found around here. It's red pigment. I think it's called hematite. Definitely some interesting looking stuff. I don't know, lizard, but obviously there's a lot of those UFO people that say that they drew the sky people, the Chaco culture, the Muggione culture. Very interesting stuff. I don't know what to believe, but definitely some of these drawings are kind of humanoid, so it's kind of weird. Something kind of creepy is that I can, from my campsite, those ancient wall art is actually kind of just staring at me. Obviously little weird thing hanging around 700-year-old ruins, camping by yourself out here. So just kind of a wonderful, beautiful night, but just kind of eerie just to see those down there. They're exactly kind of in line with that picnic bench, so kind of weird. So being February, I'll probably actually be the only person in the area tonight. It's going to be kind of interesting. Hopefully that probably means that there's going to be no light noise or anything like that, let alone human noise. So hopefully I'll get some good shots, and hopefully I will not see anything. Hopefully I'll have a nice safe night out here. Well, it's 6:13 and I'm already seeing stars out. That's pretty awesome. I give it probably another hour or two and then it's going to be pretty dark out. I start shooting 9 o'clock on.